Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best bowling balls on the market, the Hammer Black Widow 3.0. If you're serious about bowling, this ball deserves your attention. It builds on the legendary Black Widow legacy with some exciting upgrades that take your game to the next level. The Black Widow 3.0 features the famous gas mask core, a design that has proven itself in versatility and performance time and again. This core provides a strong overall hook and aggressive backhand motion, giving you the control and power needed for those crucial strikes. What's really new here is the addition of the HK22 Aggression Solid cover stock. This cover stock has been enhanced with Aggression Solid additives, offering bowlers improved traction and durability on the lanes. Finished with a sophisticated sanding process using 500, 1000, and 2000 grit CAR micro pads, the ball is primed for peak performance. This finish gives the Black Widow 3.0 an ideal balance between length and backhand reaction, meaning it will travel well down the lane and then make a strong move toward the pins, perfect for a variety of lane conditions. The Black Widow 3.0 is available in weights from 12 to 16 pounds, catering to different bowling styles and preferences. The 14-pound version, in particular, is popular among many bowlers for its perfect balance of weight and control. The ball sports a striking black and orange color scheme, making it not only functional but also visually appealing. Brunswick backs this product with a 2-year limited warranty, so you can invest with confidence knowing you're getting a high-quality piece of equipment. Dimensions of the ball are standard, with a size of about 9 inches in diameter, and it weighs in at 14 pounds, making it a serious contender for competitive bowlers. Whether you're stepping up to improve your game or looking for a reliable ball that performs under pressure, the Hammer Black Widow 3.0 delivers strong, consistent results. Its advanced core design and upgraded cover stock technology make it stand out in the crowded field of bowling balls. If you want to elevate your bowling experience with a ball that's engineered for performance and built to last, the Hammer Black Widow 3.0 is a top choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. See you in the next video.